Model, 2014 Volkswagen Crafter MAN County Route 35 2.0TDI 109PS Ready to work MOTED Grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 311,397. MOT, the 26th of July 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 109PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Brakes slightly spongy, will need replacing. Don't let the miles put you off, these go on forever. Proper Workhorses, star-struck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. First to see will buy for sure. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.